Hey guys, today we will see a brilliant miniature played by the 20th century German master Paul Leonhardt. Now, Paul Leonhardt is not a very well known name in chess history, but he deserves to be because he scored some really sharp, brilliant victories over the likes of Tarash, Tartakover, Nimzovich, Reti, and Marozi. So, this short game, there are only 8 moves in it, is a glittering example of the sharp and aggressive style of Paul Leonhardt. Also, the last move of this short miniature displays three different types of forks. So let's go and see. E4, Paul Leonhardt replied with E5, D4, E takes D4, Queen D4, Knight C6. Now it is precisely because of this move, this variation known as center game is not considered a good opening. The reason is that it gives black an extra move and it becomes quite easy for black to equalize. However, let me remind you that Alexander Morozevich used this variation very effectively but only for a brief duration. Well, white retreats with queen e3, knight f6, bishop c4, knight e5 attacking the bishop, bishop retreats, bishop b3, bishop b4, c3. Now this natural looking move is quite bad as it becomes evident by bishop c5. Now black bishop challenges the white queen and the white queen cannot capture it in turn with queen c5 because in that case knight d3 and white will have to lose the queen. This type of fork is known as a royal fork because it attacks king as well as queen. Well, so this means queen c5 is not possible and white goes for queen g3. And now comes the thunderbolt bishop f2 and white is forced to resign after this move. Why? Because first of all the bishop is attacking king as well as queen. So this is a fork, a royal fork to be precise. Now this means that it is compulsory for white to capture the bishop either with queen or king. So let's see what happens if he goes for queen takes bishop. Knight d3 check and now white loses the queen. Suppose he goes for king f2, then knight takes pawn and again he loses the queen. So in this way there are three possible royal forks mainly because of this move bishop f2.